Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Sunday Talk, episode number 112. In this episode, as always, I'm gonna go over 5 questions I received from you guys. We're gonna go over MVC update of this week for some of you guys who missed some Tuesday update. And also, I have another powerful quote for you today. If you are new here, my name is John. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also U.S. citizens regarding the immigration questions. Once in a while we talk about different topics, and also I give advice to newcomers to the United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. Before I start today's video, I want to wish you guys happy Sunday. I hope your day is going well. So guys, let's start with the powerful quote that I have for you guys today. Today's quote will come from Tony Robbins. Here's the quote. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Again, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. We all have, dreams. There are a lot of stuff we want to accomplish in life, but the thing is, you will have a dream in your mind, but to turn that dream into something tangible, you have to set the goals. Okay, what are you going to do first? What are you going to do second? What are you going to do third to reach that goals? That's what he's talking about here. I think it's a powerful quote. So guys, without wasting time here, let's jump into the questions. The first question of today's video is coming from Momo CC. Here's the question. Hi John, my mother is a green card holder and she petitioned for me, but my elder brother is the sponsor and he has already uploaded all his affidavit of support and financial documents. But my mother do not have an income. Would that be a problem during my visa interview? Well, thanks for the question. That's a good question. Well, since your mother doesn't have any income, that's the main reason why your brother becomes a joint sponsor, basically. So as long as your brother meets all the required, like a financial requirement, like an income requirement, well, you should be fine at the interview. You're just gonna focus on the information you guys provide on the form, I-130 petition form, the DS-236 form. Know everything that you put on the form. Know a lot of stuff, about your brother, your mom, all those stuff. So just go over the form in general and be yourself at the interview. You should be fine. So to answer your question, even if your mom doesn't have any income, from what I know, it won't affect you. It won't have any impact on the interview. Okay, all right, let's move to the second question of today's video. This one will come from TCR Eva Bless. Here's the question. Once your affidavit of support upload, I heard that it's when you call for an interview. Is that true? Well, thanks for the question. One thing you have to know, the affidavit of support basically is just a contract between you and the U.S. government. Okay, so when you file an I-130 petition for your relative, if your relative lives here in the United States of America, well, once the petition is approved, then that person will adjust his or her status. That's when you're gonna you the petitioner gonna submit the affidavit of support form. Okay, you're gonna submit the form on top of the I-485, which is a green card application. In case your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, well, once you pay the fees, the immigrant visa fees, and also the affidavit of support fees, that's when you're going to be able to file the affidavit of support form. Okay, so you have to file there, and then the NVC going to review all those information, all those documents you submitted, because you're going to submit civil document, and also the petitioner going to submit some document before NVC can make a decision whether or not your case is going to be document to qualify. Okay, once your case is document to qualify, that's when you're going to move to the U.S. consulate. So you see, you know submit your affidavit support form before NVC review your case. Okay, so it's gonna be before. You don't have to wait till you call for interview, because without that you won't even reach the point where NVC is gonna be able to schedule interview appointment for you. Okay, so let's move to the third question of today's video. This one will come from Kavita Nikki Naren. Here's the question. Hello, I'm asking a person, can someone with a work permit submit affidavit of support for someone petitioning to come to USA, but the person lives there 26 years and reside there? Well, thanks for the question. One thing I know about sponsoring somebody like become a petitioner, you have to be at least a US citizen or permanent resident. Okay, so I don't think just like someone who only who has a working permit can petition for another relative. Okay, I don't think it's possible unless the person has a green card, on top of the work permit. Just with the green card itself, that person doesn't need a working permit anyway. So just with a working permit, it's not possible from what I know. Okay, that person has to be, like I say, either a US citizen or a green card holder to be able to sponsor for you. And also the person will reside here in the United States of America, or if the person is overseas, that person should have a domicile here in the United States of America, or prove that he or she has a tight connection with America before he or she can sponsor a relative. Okay, so let's move to another question here. This one's going to be the fourth question of today's video. It will come from Defense Cedar. Here is a question. Hi sir, I just called the NVC and they said that I must mail in my civil document and affidavit of support via mail since it is an old case. Is the info I got from the agent correct? She has provided a mail in address. Well, thanks for the question. Well, normally now, I know before you will send your civil document and all those documents to NVC. They will provide an address where you're going to send those documents before they can review them. Now everything, you have to upload all those documents to NVC Computer Electronic Application Center. But this one, I don't know for sure. The agent say your case is an old case, but make sure you have like a written notice saying that, okay, send this document, send your document to this address, and the reason why you have to send it to the address, you have to have a written notice. Just by talking to someone on the phone, I don't think it's a good enough, just to be on the safe side. Because like I said, maybe with an old case you can still do that, you can still submit those documents by mail, but I'm not 100% sure. That's what I'm saying. If NVC is supposed to send you a notification anyway telling you that, okay, because your case is an old case, you have to submit those documents to whatever address they provide. Just be careful. I don't want you to send your document to somebody you don't want to have your document, because there is a lot of frauds going on, and you don't want your document to be in the hand of criminals. Okay, just be careful. All right, let's move to the last question of today's video. This one will come from Fenzi Zeze. Here's the question. I'm from Liberia, probably October 11, 2018. Document to qualify July 16, 2020. Got pre-interview letter for 120 days and another pre-interview letter for 60 days. Please, John, I'm confused. When will I get my interview appointment letter? Well, thanks for the question. I don't know if you watch the video I made on Friday regarding 160 days, 120 days and 60 days pre-interview letter people are getting. Well, those email, you will get them automatically, if you are somebody who's waiting for interview appointment letter. But to be honest with you, nobody knows exactly when you're gonna get your interview appointment letter. Even NVC, when you call them, they won't be able to tell you. So as long as you provide the required document, your document is qualified, like you say, well, as long as NVC doesn't ask for additional document, maybe some of your document expired, they want you to, upload those documents again. You just have to wait until the U.S. consulate, tell NVC that okay, there is a spot available, there is an appointment availability, so NVC can schedule an interview appointment for you. Okay, you just have to wait. Unfortunately, I'm gonna keep repeating this because at this point of your process, and there's nothing else you can do. Okay, like I said at the beginning of this video, we will go briefly over cases, document, and email NVC is working on this week. Some of you guys already watched my Tuesday update, you know what's going on. But some of you guys who don't have a chance, who didn't have a chance to watch that video, well, this week NVC is working on cases they received from USCIS on August 9, okay, and they will process your case, create visa case for you, and then send you a welcome letter. Especially some of you guys who are immediate relative, you will get your interview or no interview on welcome letter a little sooner. Okay, and then also they're saying that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on June 15. Well, once they review those documents, your case is gonna be in line to be scheduled to go to U.S. consulate basically. And the third update always is about email. Some of you guys who send emails, different emails to NVC, asking different questions. Well, they're saying this week that they are responding to email they received from you guys on July 23rd. So make sure you monitor your email so you don't miss any email coming from NVC, National Visa Center. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys learned something from today's video. If you know somebody who you think might benefit from this video, well, share the video with that person. If you like the video, already know what to do. If you want to subscribe, you know what to do. If you want to support this channel, well, we have a USMon shop. You can check it out by clicking on the link in the description below. Whatever you do today, do it peacefully. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.